Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm gonna paint the sun visors. This is the original fabric color of the car. You can see it's pretty dingy. I did clean this, it was much dirtier. But I cleaned it off really well. Gave it like a light scuff per the directions of the vinyl spray. Masked off a couple metal pieces and I'm pretty much good to go. So these are actually in really good shape. A lot of the interior, if you watched any of my other videos, there's a lot of mildew and water damage. I think from when the windows leaked, it ran down the side of the doors and it ate into the material and just caused it to crumble apart. But these are pretty solid. I don't know if they replaced them at some point, but they're in good shape. And to get new ones in black, they're very expensive. It's like, I think it was $120 for a set, which seems like a lot for windshield visors. So I did find Duplicolor makes vinyl spray, which seems crazy to me, but this stuff's meant for like spraying your seats, your dashboard, interior fabric. Like, I can't imagine this holding up well on a seat, but the reviews people had said that it seemed to work well. And this is just going on visors. These things don't see much wear and you're certainly not sitting on them or anything. So I figured, this can was maybe $12, $13, for 12 or 13 bucks, and these things are in good shape. What have I got to lose, right? Worst case, I got to drop 100, 120 bucks on a new set of visors. But I think in the meantime, this should last me plenty long time. So I'm going to give this a try and I'll show you how it turns out. Take care.